I'm Mulugeta Gabro. I'm the CEO of Jerusalem Children and Community Development Organization. We are a partner with Ethiopian Aid Australia, and we have been doing a great work in the Burhan and other places. And Jackdo is doing actually a great work in different parts of the country, focusing on children, women, and young people. So we are on advocacy, we are on livelihood improvement, especially by organizing women. We are supporting grassroots level structures, especially the CBOs, actually to solve their own problems in their own areas. Today we have been really discussing with officials in Arba Minch because we have been invited by the zonal administration, by the regional administration to engage in this area. So we have really had a very good conversation with all concerned government officials, and they have been really talking about the problems that women are facing, the problem that children are facing, especially on child protection, on child trafficking. There is also labor exploitation of children, FGM, female genitation. And there are a lot of problems regarding also the women who are really great actually to work and to try to support families, but they lack skill, they lack awareness. So we need to do a lot in making awareness to the women and to the public at large, and also to work with community structures, because in order to sustain activities, there is a need to work with these structures. So there are a lot of needs, and we have also observed the area with huge number of young people, and the poverty level is very high. But it is possible to curb these problems if we join hands, if we work together, if we engage people in project designing, in also actually making available certain resources and making a lot of advocacy to create, to change the mindset and to engage people to change their own life. I think we can provide a lot of skill. We have a lot of experience in different areas. So if we join hands with Ethiopian Aid, I'm sure we can make a difference in changing people's life. I'm sure it will happen, and we are hoping that to happen this way. Thank you.